Good day everyone, my name is Renenyo Bautista Ladines. For today, I will be presenting the future of hospitality industry, an exploration of innovation and sustainability at the Vancouver Convention Center. For the expansive open space featuring large open areas flooded with natural lights and designs well promotes a welcoming atmosphere at enhanced guest experience and includes at the needs for artificial lights. For the seamless waterfront integration, the convention center's architecture smoothly connects with stunning waterfront views through large glass facades, creating a harmonious relationship between the venue and its surroundings. For the LEEDs Platinum certifications, achieving LEEDs Platinum certifications, the centers demonstrates exemplary leadership and environmental stewardship, adhering to stringent energy efficiency and sustainability stands, living roof home to over 400,000 negative plants, and living roof supports biodiversity, aids stormwaters management, and improves insulation while providing an educational platform about local flora. For the sweater heating and cooling, the use of sweater heating and cooling system exemplifies innovative technology that harmless natural resource for temperature regulation, significantly reducing energy consumption. Smart light and climate control. Smart light and climate control advanced smart like adjust automatically based on natural light availability, promoting and energy efficiency. Climate control system ensures optimal comfort, utilizing and real-time data to react to varying occupancy and external conditions. For the Wi-Fi connectivity, ro- robust with the Wi-Fi connectivity throughout the venue facility, seamless internet access for guests. This connectivity support various devices and enhance overall communication for events and activities taking place in the center. For the live social media walls display real-time event content engaging trends and promoting event hashtags. This creates a future encourage guests to share their experience and connect them with digital platforms. Digital signage. Digital signage through the venue provides dynamic information such as event schedules, direct and flat direct and promotions. This technology enhance the guest experience by delivering timely updates positioned whereby are most needed. For the real-time event updates keep attendants informed about schedule and schedule changes, location adjustments, and important announcement. This immediate improves organization and ensure that guests are always aware of relevant help happening. Interactive guest tools. The interactive guest tools, including mobile apps, allows guests and negative and venue access events, inform and engage with the other attendees. These tools enhance the overall experience by personalizing interactions and streamlining service. Personalized wayfinding apps, conf- customized wayfinding apps streamline neg- navigation, offering guests step-by-step directions and updates about events. These apps enhance user experience, allowing guests to easily find amenities and negative and the venue. Mobile check-in mobile check-ins simplify the arrival process, allowing guests and bypass traditional ways. This feature not only enhance convenience but also reduce wait times, providing overall satisfaction. Art installation and immersive experience. The venue showcase arts installation the challenge perceptions and engage guests interactively. This experience transformed the space into dynamic and inspiring environment, enhancing visitors' engagement. Inclusive space for accessibility design. Priority inclusivity, ensuring all areas are accessible for guests with varying abilities. Truthful design features like wider pathway and sensory friendly space, creating a comfortable environment for everyone. Partnership with local artists. The venue collaborates with local artists and businesses to showcase unique art installation, enhancing an aesthetic experience while supporting community-focused events. Educational tours and community-focused events are regularly organized at the venue, promoting awareness of hospitality practices and sustainability efforts. This this ini- this initiative provides learning opportunities while fostering stronger community ties and encouraging local participation in the hospitality sector. Job creation initiatives. The Vancouver Convention Center is committed to creating job opportunities for local residents through training programs and partnership with educational institutions. These initiatives equip the community and valuable skills for hospitality, enhancing the workforce and boosting the local economy. Holographic, pres- holographic presentation. Future Future innovations may include holographic presentations and AR and VR exhibitions, providing immersive experiences that captives audiences. This technology allows for innovative formats in conference and events, enhancing engagement and interactions. Robotics and service. The integration of robotics for events set up the service is being explored to enhance operational efficiency and guest experience. Robots can assist in various tasks, reducing manual efforts and allowing staff to focus on personalized service. Smart rooms transformation. The smart rooms transformation technology enable dynamic transformation for diverse events types of accommodating various setups instant instantaneously. This flexibility not only enhance guest experience but also maximize the utilization of space within the venue.